Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi viewers, today I'm going to be reading a book called One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish by Dr. Seuss. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish, black fish, blue fish, old fish, new fish. This one has a little star, this one has a little car. Say what a lot of fish there are. Yes, some are red and some are blue. Some are old and some are new. Some are sad and some are glad. And some are very, very bad. Why are they sad and glad and bad? I do not know. Go ask your dad. It's a nice book. Some are thin and some are fat. The fat one has a yellow hat. From there to here, from here to there, funny things are everywhere. Here are some who like to run. They run for fun in the hot, hot sun. Oh me, oh my, oh me, oh my, what a lot of funny things go by. Some have 2 feet and some have 4. Some have 6 feet and some have more. Where do they come from? I can't say, but I bet they have come a long, long way. We see them come, we see them go. Some are fast and some are slow. Some are high and some are low. Not one of them is like another. Don't ask us why, go ask your mother. Say, look at his fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do I see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He has 11. 11. This is something new. I wish I had 11 too. Bump, bump, bump. Did you ever ride a wump? We have a wump with just 1 hump. But we know a man called Mr. Gump. Mr. Gump has a 7-hump wump. So, if you like to go bump, bump, just jump on the hump of wump of gum. Just jump on the hump of the wump of gum. Who am I? My name is Ned. I do not like my little bed. This is no good. It is not right. My feet stick out the bed all night. When I pull them in, oh dear, my head sticks out of the bed here. When I like to ride our bike, it is made for 3. Our Mike sits up in the back, you see. We like our Mike in this way. Mike does all his work when hills get high. Hello there, Ned. How do you tell me what is new? How are things in your little bed? What is new? Please tell me, Ned. I do not like this bed at all. A lot of things have come to call: a cow, a dog, a cat, a mouse. Oh, what a bed, oh, what a house. Oh dear, what can I not hear? Will you please come over near? Will you look in my ear? There must be something there, I fear. Say, look, a bird was in your ear, but he is out, so have no fear. Again your ear can hear, my dear. My hat is old, my teeth are gold. I have a bird I like to hold. My shoe is off, my foot is old. My shoe is off, my foot is cold. I have a bird I like to hold. My hat is old, my teeth are gold. And now, wait, if you could take out all of your teeth that were made of gold, you could just get so much cash. And now my story is all told. We have a look. We saw a nook. On his bed we had a hook. On his hook he had a book. On his book was a how to cook. We saw him sit, try to cook. He took a look at the book on the hook. But Nook can't read, so Nook can't cook. So what is good to a Nook is a hook cookbook. The moon was out, and we saw some sheep take a walk in their sleep. By the light of the moon, by the light of the star, they walked all night from near to far. I would never walk, I would never take a car. I do not like this one so well, and he does is yell, yell, yell. I will not have this one about. When he comes in, I put him out. This one is quiet as a mouse. I like to have him in the house. At our house we open cans. We have to open many cans, and that is why we have a Zans. A Zans for cans is very good. Have you a Zans for cans? You should. I like to box. How do I like to box? So every day I box a gox. In yellow socks I box my gox. I box in yellow gox box socks. It is fun to sing. If you sing with a ying, my ying can sing like anything. I sing high and my ying sings low, and we're not too bad, you know. This one is think. It is called a yink. He likes to wink. He likes to drink. He likes to drink and drink and drink. The thing he likes to drink is ink. Don't do it. Poison. The ink he likes to drink is pink. He likes to wink and drink pink ink. So if you have a lot of ink, then you should get a yink, I think. Hop, 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 I am a yop. This doesn't even relate to the title. I don't know why. It doesn't relate to the title. The title is One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish, I think. And you're just talking about rhymes and a bunch of other stuff, Dr. Seuss. Alright. All I do is hop from finger to top, finger top, finger top. I hop from left to right, hop, hop. I hop right back again. I like to hop day and night from right to left and left to right. Why do I like to hop, hop, hop? I do not know. Go ask your pop. Brush, 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 comb, comb, comb. Blue hair is fun to brush and comb. All girls who like to brush and comb should have a pet like this at home. Who is this pet? Say he is wet. You've never yet meet a pet, I bet, as when they let this wet pet get. Did you ever fly a kite in bed? Did you ever walk with 10 cats on your head? Did you ever milk this kind of cow? Well, we can do it, we know how. If you never did, you should. These things are fun, and fun is good. But remember not to squish too hard when you do get milking, or else it was just pain, or the cow would go nuts. Hello, hello, are you there? Hello, I called you up to say hello. I said hello, can you hear me, Joe? Oh no, I cannot hear you call. I cannot hear your call at all. This is not good, and I know why. A mouse has cut the wire goodbye. From near to far, from here to there, funny things are everywhere. These yellow pets are called Zeeds. They have one hair up on their heads. Their hair grows fast, so fast they need a haircut every day. And you can see somebody is cutting their one hair, there's a big line, and then when they come down it's only this tall. Maybe you can see there's one hair, that's how big it is after. I don't think you can really see it, it's right there. Who am I? My name is Ish. On my hand I have a dish. I have a dish to help me wish. When I wish to make a wish, I wave my hand, big swish swish. Then I say I wish for fish. I get fish right on my dish. Make sure you cook it. Never eat fish that are alive, if you even eat fish. Swish. So, if you wish a wish, you may swirl for fish with my ish with dish. At our house we play a game called Ring and Gack. Would you like to play this game? Come down. We only have Gack in town. Look what we found in the park in the dark. We will take him home. We will call him Clark. He will live at our house. He will grow and grow. Will our mother like this? We don't know. And now, good night. It is time to sleep, so we will sleep with our pet Z. Today is gone. Today was fun. Tomorrow is another one. Every day, from here to there, funny things are everywhere. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!